In a world where rampant consumerism often dictates the pace of our lives, the idea of living frugally may seem somewhat outdated. However, the quest for ways to save money and resources has always been a wise practice, and in modern times, this approach gains new relevance. The theme of frugal living is not just about cutting expenses or reducing costs. It's about adopting a conscious lifestyle where consumption is thoughtful and resources are used wisely. It is in this context that the search for old-fashioned ways to save money fits in, offering a unique perspective on how we can rethink our daily habits and practices. The importance of frugality in modern times cannot be underestimated. In a world where waste is abundant and resources are finite, the ability to live simply and frugally becomes a valuable skill. Besides helping to preserve the environment, frugal living can also provide a sense of freedom and financial autonomy, allowing people to focus on what truly matters in their lives. In this video, we will explore 23 old-fashioned frugal living tips that can be experimented with today. From saving energy to gardening and practicing the art of patience, each of these suggestions offers a unique opportunity to rethink our relationship with money and the resources around us. By doing so, we can not only save financially, but also contribute to a more sustainable and meaningful lifestyle. Antiquated frugal living tips. Saving on energy consumption. When it comes to saving energy, simple gestures can make all the difference. Instead of relying exclusively on electric lights at night, consider using candles, not only to add a cozy charm to the environment, but to also significantly reduce electricity consumption. Additionally, maximizing the use of natural light during the day can be as simple as opening curtains and blinds to let the sunlight in, thus avoiding unnecessary use of artificial lighting. Planting a garden. Cultivating a garden at home goes far beyond having a beautiful landscape. Growing vegetables and herbs not only adds freshness to your meals, but also helps save money on fresh foods. Moreover, it's a great way to reconnect with nature and enjoy the therapeutic benefits of gardening. Cooking at home. Cooking meals at home is not only healthier than eating out, but also more economical. Making the most of affordable and seasonal ingredients not only reduces costs, but also encourages a more varied and nutritious diet. Additionally, cooking at home can be a fun and rewarding activity, especially when shared with family and friends. Sewing and mending clothes. Learning basic sewing skills is a valuable skill that can help save money in the long run. By repairing damaged clothes instead of discarding them, you can not only extend the life of the pieces, but also reduce the need to buy new ones. Additionally, sewing your own clothes allows for customization and creative expression of your personal style. Material reuse. Transforming old items into something useful is an eco-friendly and economical practice. For example, old clothes can be turned into cleaning rags, glass bottles can become storage containers, and cardboard boxes can be reused as organizers. By giving new life to old objects, you not only save money, but also reduce waste. Using public transportation or bicycles. Reducing transportation costs by using alternative means such as public transportation or bicycles not only saves money, but also helps reduce pollution and congestion on the streets. Moreover, it is a healthy and sustainable way to get around, providing benefits for both your wallet and the environment. Bartering goods and services. Participating in bartering groups or service exchange communities is a smart way to save money and resources. By exchanging items you no longer need for something you want, or offering your own services in exchange for something you need, you can save significantly and build strong community relationships at the same time. Turning off electronic devices. Turning off electronic devices when not in use is a simple yet effective practice for saving energy. Additionally, unplugging devices when fully charged and using energy-saving devices can further reduce electricity consumption and associated costs. Reducing water consumption. Small changes in daily habits, such as taking shorter showers and fixing leaks, can result in significant water and money savings in the long run. Additionally, installing water-saving devices on faucets and showers can help further reduce water consumption without compromising comfort. Food preservation practices. Learning food preservation techniques such as fermentation and canning is a smart way to extend the shelf life of food and reduce waste. In addition to saving money by buying food in bulk and storing it properly, you can also enjoy fresh, homemade products throughout the year. Buying products in bulk. An increasingly popular practice among frugal living enthusiasts is buying products in bulk. By opting to purchase items in bulk, you not only save money, but also significantly reduce the amount of packaging that ends up in the trash. Instead of buying individually packaged products such as grains, pasta, and cereals, you can bring your own reusable containers and fill only the amount needed for each item. This not only reduces the waste of plastic and cardboard packaging, but also allows you to buy exactly the quantity you need, thus avoiding food waste. Making your own cleaning products. A simple and economical way to keep your home clean and free from harsh chemicals is to make your own cleaning products. Simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and essential oils can be combined to create effective and eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Besides being healthier for you and the environment, these homemade products are much more economical than commercial ones. You can use these versatile ingredients to clean surfaces, disinfect bathrooms, remove stains, and even freshen the air in your home. Performing home repairs. Often, small home repairs can be easily done without the need to call a professional. Learning to do basic repairs such as fixing leaks, replacing faucets, and repairing damaged furniture not only saves money on labor costs, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment and independence. There are numerous sources of information available, from online tutorials to books and local workshops, that can help you learn practical home maintenance skills. Reducing the use of air conditioning and heating. Taking advantage of natural climate whenever possible to regulate the temperature of your home is an effective way to save energy and reduce electricity costs. Instead of turning on the air conditioning or heater whenever you feel slight discomfort, consider opening windows to let in fresh air, or use curtains and blinds to control the amount of sunlight entering the house. Additionally, adjusting the thermostat temperature a few degrees up in summer and down in winter can result in significant energy savings over the year. Organizing a book club or book swap. Swapping books with friends or participating in book clubs is a great way to save money on new purchases while expanding your personal library. Instead of buying new books every time you want to read something, you can exchange books you've already read for new titles or participate in book club meetings to discuss and swap recommendations with others. Besides saving money, this practice can also help you discover new authors and literary genres that you may not have considered before. Meal planning. Creating a weekly meal plan is an effective strategy to avoid food waste and save money. By planning meals for the week in advance, you can make an accurate shopping list, buy only what is needed, and avoid unnecessary spending on foods that may end up spoiling in the pantry. Additionally, meal planning allows you to make the most of the ingredients you already have at home, making meal preparation more efficient and economical. Enjoying free nature. Opting for free outdoor activities is a great way to have fun and relax without spending much money. Instead of spending on expensive entertainment, such as movies, theaters, or theme parks, consider exploring local parks, hiking trails, beaches, or nearby conservation areas. Besides being free, these activities provide an opportunity to reconnect with nature, get some exercise, and enjoy leisure time outdoors with friends and family. Using coupons and discounts. Researching and using coupons and discounts when shopping is a smart way to save money on products and services. Many stores offer coupons and special promotions that can help reduce the total cost of purchase, whether it's at supermarkets, clothing stores, restaurants, or various services. Additionally, taking advantage of discounts on online purchases can also be an effective way to save money, as long as you are attentive to offers and promotional coupons available on shopping websites. Learning to repair clothes and shoes. Acquiring basic skills for repairing clothes and shoes is a smart way to extend their lifespan and save money on unnecessary purchases. Learning to sew a loose button, mend a torn hem, or glue a worn-out shoe sole are simple skills that can help you maintain your clothes and shoes in good condition for longer. Additionally, by learning to make these small repairs at home, you can also save on repair costs and avoid wasting items that still have much left to offer. Practicing the art of patience. Avoiding impulse purchases and waiting for promotions or discount periods can help you save money in the long run. Often, the prices of products and services tend to decrease over time, especially during clearance periods or seasonal promotions. By practicing the art of patience and waiting for the right time to make a purchase, you can take advantage of better deals, discounts, and promotions, thus saving a significant amount of money over time. Reducing waste. Buying only what is necessary and avoiding waste of food and resources is a fundamental practice of frugal living. By planning meals, making an accurate shopping list, and storing food properly, you can reduce the amount of food that ends up in the trash due to deterioration or expiration. Additionally, reusing materials such as packaging, containers, and bags whenever possible can help reduce waste of resources and minimize the environmental impact of your daily activities. Opting for simple entertainment. Enjoying simple forms of entertainment, such as family board games, outdoor hikes, or movie nights at home, is an economical and enjoyable way to spend leisure time. Instead of spending on expensive entertainment, such as going to the movies, dining out, or expensive vacations, consider exploring simpler and more affordable entertainment options that still offer moments of fun and connection with your loved ones. Reevaluating financial priorities. Reflecting on what is truly important to you and prioritizing your spending according to your personal values is essential for a frugal and fulfilling life. Instead of blindly following consumerism and spending money on things that do not bring true happiness or meaning, take the time to reassess your financial priorities and focus your resources on areas that truly matter to you, such as health, education, meaningful experiences, and contributions to social causes. By aligning your spending with your personal values, you can find greater satisfaction and fulfillment in your life, regardless of how much money you have available. Conclusion. Throughout this video, we have explored a series of old-fashioned frugal living tips, ranging from saving energy to reevaluating financial priorities. Each of these suggestions offers a unique opportunity to rethink our daily habits and practices, seeking a more conscious, sustainable, and economical life. It is important to remember that frugality goes beyond simply saving money. It's also about adopting a more sustainable lifestyle, reducing unnecessary consumption, and minimizing the environmental impact of our choices. Furthermore, frugality invites us to embrace simplicity, valuing what truly matters in our lives and cultivating a greater appreciation for the resources we have at our disposal. Therefore, I encourage all viewers to try at least one of the tips mentioned in this video and share their results. Whether it's planting a garden, learning home repairs, or simply reducing waste in your daily activities, each small step toward frugality can make a big difference in our lives and the world around us. Lastly, I invite everyone to subscribe to our channel to receive more tips and inspirations on frugal living, sustainability, and conscious lifestyle. Share this content with your friends and family so that together we can create a more conscious, sustainable, and happy world. Together, we can make a difference.